Get your ass outside and pump that shit. To the oil hoops. Yeah, baby. Hi. You're helping me get ready for school. I feel like you're my mom. You're helping me get ready for school. Oh, I should have peed first. Grab nice and close. Yeah, bye, Shamika. See the clothes. Fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no baby. Go back home. Around me alone. So fuck you, baby. it's snowing. Just stopped here and we're gonna go down there. Hopefully we don't run into a bear that's hibernating. And yeah, let's go do this thing. So hopefully we don't fall. And do I? Oh my God! Oh my God, it looks so pretty! It's literally snowing! What if my dumbass kept walking back and I fell down that fucking... Woo! No good. Oh my God, there's a lake down there. So what do we do if there's a bear, bitch? I'm gonna run, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, is this where we just saw people taking pictures at? Oh, I am getting wet. Not the good kind. So we're at a cave rock. Is this the cave? I found Bigfoot! Oh no, it's just had a located at Tahoe's peaks. Oh, cute. All right, so this is external bay. Which one? Oh. Bitch, that right here, it looks so pretty. Sit right here. Sit right there. Sit right there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hold on, look at me again. Like this, it looks cool. Okay, I'll send you the pictures. Okay. I'm sorry.
That's not funny, bitch. Fuck you. That shit hurt.
I didn't mean to hate. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to get you in the face. No, I didn't. Shut up, bitch. I'm just kidding. Ooh. Tahoe Pops?
Waiting for my food.
Bitch, I almost spit that out. I almost fucking burned my whole fucking hocico.
So you want to take a picture of him?
Yeah. Let's see if this does it justice. Can't really see everything. Where this damn waterfall at? Watch, we already passed it. Nah, I don't think so, y'all. Well, Tahoe, it was nice knowing ya. Till we see you again. We made it. And we found it. Huh? You wanna walk down that pathway? What does that sign say right there?